I would like to end this tutorial with the phrase, ask and it shall be given. So I would like you to feel free to ask for help, for guidance and new features. I want this project to succeed because I want to help you succeed. I want to create new features. I want to improve the offering because I want you to have all the tools you need to succeed. And if you want to do something with your website, you want to have some feature, you want to integrate something, anything, just let me know and we will start working on it, right? So I really want you to succeed. I want you to have all the functionality you need, and that's why I prioritize what I build depending on how many people tell me that they really need it, right? So just ask and I will see what I can do for you. Thank you for watching all these videos, and happy writing, happy creating. I'm really, really excited what you will do with this system. Thank you.